have another parcel. No need to mention where it came from, link down below. Let's crack on in. Oh, you beauty. SQ11, the mini DV camera. So this is a sports camera, much like the SQ I have here, which I've been using in some previous reviews. 1920 by 1080p. So it records AVI and JPEG video encoding, 100 minutes of working time, 30 frames a second. Let's crack on inside. So upon opening, you are presented with the camera. And there's an instruction booklet here. Get a couple of little mounts here. A couple of mounts here, so they just alligator on to each other, and some cables. This is pretty cool. So it's got like a bit of an AV type cable set up here, which doubles up as a charger. So your USB for charging, and yeah, like a mini AV type plug here, which I shall show you. Okay, so there it is, guys. As you can see next to the SQ, it is actually quite small. Now, a word of caution, when you are mounting the micro SD in, it takes up to 64 gig. Just be careful you actually get it straight down in the slot, otherwise it will go all the way down and you'll have trouble getting it out again. So you know if you've put it in correctly, if it stops. If it stops just at the entrance there to the slot, if it can't go any further, yeah, you've put it in correctly and all is well. So back to the basics, weighing in at 8.47 grams, so super duper light. If we do compare it with the 13, 26.3 grams, so yeah, at 8.47, significantly lighter. So looking over the unit, you've got a couple of holes here to mount your strap. Now you've got your plug here, which doubles up as yeah, an AV out, so you can play it on your telly or whatever, and your USB charging cable. So we have our SD card in, we've charged up our battery. It took about 15 minutes to charge up. Apparently, according to the box, yeah, you can crack on for a good 100 minutes, so we'll see about that. Okay, so to get it running, there's a power button here on the right and a mode button on the left. So once you press the power button on, you'll see a little blue light there. A bit tricky to see, but there's a blue light there, and that means you're in 720p mode and you're ready to record. So you hit the power button again, and you're now flashing blue LED, which disappears, which means I'm now recording. And to stop it, hit the power button again. So for 1080p, you have it in 720p mode, press the mode button for about 3-4 seconds, and a little blue and red LED will flash in the hole here, which means you're in 1080p mode. So it's probably a little bit small to put on the HGLRC, I think. Yeah, I'll chuck it on a little toothpick or something like that. Yeah, link down below where you get this little cracker from, and I'm going to go have a play. Thanks for dropping by.